Hello and welcome. Up until now, we have learned a lot of things in Python. And in this video, I will show you how you can use AI to speed up the process of coding. Okay? Now, for the entirety of this course, I did not talk about AI. And the reason for this is that I wanted you to learn everything step by step. There was a reason behind everything I did in this course, and not using AI was a conscious decision. I did not use AI to teach you because I did not want you to use AI during your learning. One of the biggest mistakes students make everywhere is that when they are learning, they use AI. Okay? The problem with this is when students use AI and they practice the problems, then they are using AI to solve those problems, and so they are not going to learn anything. So use as minimum AI as possible while you are learning. And once you are at a stage where you have practiced a lot of problems and you understand everything in Python, then you can use AI to automate repetitive tasks. Okay? For example, if you want to write a function to calculate something, then you can use AI to do that. And if you do so, it will save your time. The problem with using a lot of AI is that people tend to lose control of their applications when they are writing AI generated code. And sometimes they don't realize that they are losing control of their application. Alright. Now there are a lot of ways to use AI. Let me show you a couple of ways. Okay. Now here is a program, and let us say that you have written this program. But then when you execute this, it gives you an error. Okay. When you get an error, you have to try to figure out what has gone wrong. You have to look at the error message, and then see if you can fix it. Okay? If you can fix it, then it is good. You are learning in the process of fixing the errors. Okay? If you are unable to fix the error, then go to Google and search for the syntax and look at a couple of problems or exercises and then compare them with your program and see if you can find errors. If you still fail to do so, then ask someone who knows the language. Let them try and find the error. And if you fail in all these, then it is okay to take the help of AI. Okay? Now, let me copy this program and let me show you how to use an AI tool from Google. Okay? For this, you will have to log into your Google account and then click on Google Apps and search for Gemini. Okay? Sometimes this will not be available here, and if that is the case, you will have to scroll down and click for View More Apps and then go there and click on Gemini. Okay? Right now it is available here and I will click on this. When I do that, I will get this and I will click on chat with Gemini. Click on use Gemini and got it. Now you are ready to use the AI from Google, which is Gemini. Okay. Now here I will paste the code and I will hit submit. When I do that, Gemini will analyze my program and it will tell me where the error is. Okay. You can go through this and fix the error. Okay. So right now I have only one equal to symbol instead of double equals to, and that is why I'm getting an error here. So I'll go here and have one more equal to symbol and the problem will be fixed. Okay. So you can do that. You can use the AI as last resort. Okay. You can paste your code here and let the AI tell you where the mistake is. Okay. Next, here this is a program for a shopping cart. Okay, and this is how I have written it. Now this may not be an optimal program. There may be a better way to write this program, and you can use the help of AI to see if there is one. Okay. Now I will copy this and I will paste it here, and then here I will say, is there an alternate way to write this program? Okay. And when I hit enter, it will give me another way of getting the same output, and I advise you to go through this too. Okay. I want you to compare this program with what you have written. Okay, in this case I have written it, and then see if you are able to understand this. If you are not able to understand this, then you can prompt Gemini to explain the step that you are finding it difficult to understand. By that way, you will be able to learn new things. Okay. Next, you can ask questions with AI too. For example, if I want to know what is the difference between using the super method and inheritance, then I can ask AI what is the difference between using super function and inheritance in Python. Okay. And then the AI will give you the answer, and you can read this and improve your knowledge. Okay. It also gives you example code so that it will be helpful for you to understand the concept. Okay. In this way, you can take the help of AI to learn programming. Okay. And once you are well versed with the language, you can use AI to generate repetitive codes for you. For example, here I will say generate a function to square a number. Okay, a simple example, and it does so. You can see that this is the code, and it also has comments so that you will be able to understand it. Okay? Yes. So this is one way you can use AI. You know about ChatGPT also, right? You can use ChatGPT in the same way. And if you are using VS Code, then you have GitHub Copilot available here. You have to click here and you can ask here, but then you will have to create an account and you have to sign in. Okay. So this is available in VS Code directly and you can make a use of it. Alright. So use AI to your advantage. Okay. Yes. So this is it for this series. And now what I want you to do is watch another series on Python made by a different creator on YouTube. There are a lot of videos about Python on YouTube, and when you watch those, you will be able to store all the concepts in your long-term memory. Okay? Only by repetition and practice, you will be able to understand the language properly. Alright? Yes. So this is it for this video. I will see you in a different series. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.